scared, and I'm worried, and I'm excited at the same time. Oh, there it is. Wow.
Ow, I just caught my head. That's fine, honey.
I ripped the box.
Honey.
Hey?
Got in the right spot, you think?
3, 2, 1.
We're moving!
Scared to move. Scared to leave the place I call home. I had always considered moving, but was always too scared to do it. Family is important to me. Family is super important to me. And it feels like I'm separating myself. It feels lonely, and it's not lonely because, you know, Kirby and our newborn is coming with, and we have a family of our own now, so it's not lonely, but it feels lonely. And I'm scared, and I'm worried, and I'm excited at the same time. In just a week, we're gonna be visiting South Carolina, Greenville, South Carolina, for opportunity to pursue my dream with video and to pursue her dream with permaculture and self-sustainability. We're looking for opportunity, and it's not happening here in Muscatine, Iowa. I'm not able to go full-time with video. It's not here. Starts with a little faith, a mustard seed.
Taking my table apart. It looks so small.
Very delicate.
Yeah. Ryan knows I'm mean about my table. I want it nice. Harley, are you helping?
It's gonna look so good in this house.
Well, are you helping? Meanwhile, we have a bunch of empty boxes and little trinkety things. Vice is playing outside. Let's go take a look.
Pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza for lunch.
Oh, yeah. Let's go see what everyone else is doing. Come on then, let's go check.
I'm not a pepperoni person, but I'll eat the whole thing.
Okay, Hawaiian with red onion.
Pizza.
Yeah, that
Pizza.
sounds interesting.
Okay. Maybe I should get 2 of those then.
Looking good. Say hi, everyone.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey guys, if you want any water, there's cold water in the refrigerator.
Can I get a water? Yeah, if someone wants to bring some.
I'll go get it.
Do you want to bring some water out for them? 3.
That looks really good, guys.
Yeah, we're putting these
Nice.
in here to stay not ready.
Yeah, because
I told him I did it wrong. I did this wrong too.
This is looking really good.
Red hot and sweaty. And I just heard Wes is waking up.
Just woke up.
is locked and loaded.
I feel like we worked so hard, I can't believe it's like coming to fruition.
Oh, there it is. Wow.
She said they put a wreath on there just to show us that. I was like, oh my gosh, our mailbox has a cute little light on it. Ooh, oh, how are you gonna fit this in there with their mailbox there?
I can fit that. Yeah, I can get this.
Okay. He says I can get this. Fine. Oh, there's a curb. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. I wanna get out. I wanna get out. I wanna unlock the door. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm like winding the dogs up. Babe, look how beautiful. Okay.
It's gorgeous.
End of video. That was anticlimactic. Just a minute. Pretend that didn't happen. Okay, I'm locked. Okay.